Du hockst hier in dem Auto drin, kriegst jede G-Kraft mit, die schleudert hier rum. Und das hast du dann auf der Couch daheim nicht.
Hey everyone, I'm Shana McIntosh here with you for level 3 of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS Challenge at the Porsche on-road circuit in Leipzig. We have our 4 final competitors who have made it through over 12,000 to get here in the Forza Motorsport Online Cup, as well as Gamescom, the world's largest gaming convention. Today, the Porsche Track Experience professionals will teach them everything that they need to know about a 911 Carrera S.
Yeah! Okay guys, are you ready? And go!
Ich bin so am Schwitzen, das ist extrem. Sind schon ein bisschen angespannt, ja, definitiv.
So we're here at one of the many modules where the drivers will spend their time today for training. They're learning things like steering inputs, throttle application, weight transfer, how to get the most out of these real-life cars.
Auf geht's. Abwarten. Hinlenken. Und jetzt weich ans Gas. Und sauber absetzen. Sehr schön. But as you can see, they are already pushing the limits here and there, which is good.
Yeah.
You see that sim racing is a big thing and that you can really learn from it also in the practical way than when you go on the track.
You're pushing it.
So, guys, it was a great day. You all did an amazing job and you showed some really good skills.
There's great news because we have one more surprise for you. Let's go. Well, the training day is complete and the 4 participants did an amazing job today. But now they have to take what they learned and transfer it to level 4, which is where they have to master the 911 GT3 RS. We'll see what happens.